啡。
咖啡。
OK，咖啡。
Good morning, everyone. It's day 6. I don't even know what day it is. I think today is Friday. But anyway, we woke up just now. Our camping site is over there, and we were lucky enough to have someone give us a place to stay for a few hours. So he said we can stay over here. Because he is the landlord of this area or this place, and he bought all of this land building dams. Today I'm not feeling too good. I'm feeling a little bit sick and cold and frustrated because a lot of things has happened. But of course you have to keep up the fighting spirit, and that is what we're gonna do today. So let's take a shower, get ready for our next adventure, and see what today brings us. It's a beautiful cloudy day, but cloudy doesn't mean that it's gonna be bad. Of course not. It makes it just the more special. Let's get ready, clean up, and let's head out. Find this place where we can take a shower. This is the same place we were earlier. Let me show you what it looks like here. So you have your toilet over here. There's my clothes over there, and here he put some hot water, which is really nice of him. And Adriano was showing us, he showed us there's a chicken here, or hen, laying her eggs. Let me take a shower, get ready, and freshen up. So good. We're here on the highway with Maurizio. And we're gonna have baozi. Baozi is like a bun. Most of the time they put meat inside, but sometimes they don't, and that is what I'm looking for. So let's see what they have here. Juices.
这有菜都有。
哦，哇，你这个很好啊。
对啊。
哦。哎呦。
Oh. Sausages.
哎，这豆腐来一个，豆腐多少钱？
一盆都30。
啊？
Lovely. Delicious pork, tofu, Chinese cabbage, omelette and eggs, baozi with
你先
meat.
热2个，然后我先要1个。
I thought I should bring my chopsticks everywhere I go, because you don't know what the people do with the chopsticks, or whose mouth it was in, or I don't like the disposable ones too. So this is why I always have my own.
9块10块，10块这里面多少
3块角46，346
啊，46好，45吧，好除3个人。好 ，Everybody 15.
15 again.
Yeah, 15.
Do you have something to say? So you have about 6 hours left before it's 6 o'clock.
13 kilometers.
30 kilometers.
Yeah, 30 kilometers, yeah. Let's have a look at this lady. This lady is skinning a chicken. She made something for Michael, and now Michael is really
Proposal.
Wow. What is it?
You can eat it.
I know you can eat it, but what is it
糯
called?
米做的哈，
对呀，你们几个人？
就1个人的。 就一个就行了，我们一个，
一人一个就好。
好，一个人一个，好，谢谢你啊。
Michael,
啊
what are you eating?
，I don't know, a sponsor，
What is it called?
竹包，
猪包.
竹包
Is it just dough?
，something sweet，
It's like a treat, like candy almost.
yeah, candy.
It's good. Now that we are here, we're going to show you what a wet market looks like. Have you ever been to a wet market before? No. Okay, so let's see what we can find.
I never seen Shanghai with market.
Really? I think maybe that will be different as well. Do you have a Chinatown in there?
The small, the small road.
Mhm.
There are each one road. There are
Like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. You.
Maybe all of it's sold
the other
out.
side.
Let's go to the other side. Like this. So you see the whole animal on the table. But wet market is everything is so cheap when you go to wet markets.
I don't know.
All different kinds of fish.
One chicken, duck.
No, more for them. Oh, the goat is sold. It's not here anymore.
In South Africa, there are the same place.
No, we don't have that. We have something similar, but not like this. Like we have like Chinatown, but it's just like cheap things you can buy, like toys and clothes, things for your house. So we really don't have anything like this. Not the wet markets
Okay.
or vegetable markets like this. For example, we have shops like these ones,
Okay.
like these ones, and like this.
But you can't buy meat
No,
or fish.
no,
Oh, okay.
no. Everything also needs to be refrigerated.
Okay.
I haven't been to like all of the places in South Africa. Maybe there is a wet market somewhere, but it's very controlled. You can't just have like meat on the table like this.
Yeah.
Oh, and these people do sell goats. That's actually why. What is the strangest animal you've ever eaten?
The frog.
A frog. Oh, that's not too bad. It's herbs.
Ginseng, probably.
I don't know all of these things, but I have not seen a lot of it. Mushrooms, ginger. Most of the times you can use these things to make tea with, or for medicine.
Traditional medicine.
You can boil it. Most of the time you just buy it and then you boil it and then you can drink it like tea.
You try?
I've tried some of it before, but not a lot of it. But it's actually quite cheap, most of it. Some of it just comes from trees. So yeah, I found a hot spring over here. This is what it looks like. We're gonna look on the inside now. These little boys well, they are the ones that showed us this place as well. And here is another one that they brought us to. This one looks better, bigger. Wow. It's like an Olympic swimming pool.
没人呐，这都没人，
现在也差不多油差不多了，刚才有点油起来了。
游起来了。这是冷水还是热水？
冷水
啊，这是冷水啊。
要冬
Adriano
泳，
will like
冬
it.
泳刚刚好。
冬泳刚刚好。
嗯，
So this is cold water.
那热水呢？
热水你在里面泡。
好，
要么包间里用包间。
It's a swimming pool. It's a cold swimming pool. This is from the hot spring water that they put here to cool down, and then the hot spring is inside here. And I guess here.
这个大众池是多少钱？
哦，现在一人一间的15块。
15块。
嗯，15块。
一人一间。
15 inside here.
这种3个人100。
3个人要100，那100就是。
4 people 100, so 25.
主要是泡了15。
哦，就这样100。
游泳池专用的。
哦，这样100。
嗯。
100 for this
哦，
one.
那边是
100
15。
for
哦，不知道咱换一个。
没事，那
this
这
is
个
the other one.
自来水，你就
It also has.
里面是开这间嘛？你们是开这一间嘛？
哇！
你们4个人开这一间入
那多少钱哦？
就是100块，你们4个人才25块，是吧？那你们15泡3个小时，给你们泡是差不多了吧？
几个小时
？3个小时给你们泡差不多了吧
？3个小时。
啊，里面可以自己烧水。啊，对呀。
3 hours 100 for 4 people.
3 hours.
Yes.
After checking out the hot spring, we came back to a big group of children, and Adriano took this opportunity to show the children how to make coffee the Italian way. The children were fascinated by this whole process.
有时喜欢，有时不喜。
长大的好啊，这味道。
就这个我们做咖啡，
为什么拍视频呢？
他们录像，那个我教你，我是老师，所以我教你怎么当。看，这个是咖啡，以后这个放这样子。
He's asking why are we recording this, and then Adriano just told him because he's
这个是
teaching
意
me
大利的，
them
知
how
道
to？do it.
这个是意大利。以后 fire 怎么说 fire？ 火 fire 这种 fire， 这边不水不，这边到这边来 ，OK？ 现在你看一下，这
加热。
现在就这样子开了，哟 ，OK？Fire 怎么说 fire？ 那个牛火60多。
闻到。
哇，这个是咖啡，ragazzi！你们说咖啡？你说我录像咖啡？
咖啡。
你说咖啡？咖啡。OK， 咖啡。OK， 现在咖啡来了。吧，我希望牛奶，一点点牛奶。
一点牛奶，要加糖吗？
对 ，very good， 糖啊。Milk. Very good. Look at that. Okay. 这样。
是比较甜。
Yes. Sugar. 当，这样子。
毛巾。
No， 毛巾 ，very good。这边有一个外国的喜欢这个东西。
勺子。
这个勺子 ，teaspoon。
那你们洗澡怎么解决呢？
我们洗澡，这个。
对。
哦，我们去游泳，别的地方很多的水。1、2、3、4、5、6、7个。OK， 好了，不是带电的。
在里面的可以。
啊，里面的。
So this guy is saying that this is a famous area here, so a lot of people come here and then they come and they sleep here. So let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like from this side. Over there you can see the basketball court. The hot spring that we're gonna camp in is the one just behind this building over there. So later we will go there and take a hot spring. Not too bad the prices like you saw earlier. And then we sleep here. Look at this little boy. What do you think he's
Look,
gonna
there's
do?
a firecracker which he can light it up.
Let's see what he's gonna do.
Makan. Wow! Wow!
韩国有球王吗？科比，
Huh?
科比
Oh, Kobe. Kobe.
有科比，
Ah, should have.
有科比，那科比现在去哪了？科比，
Kobe.
詹姆斯，科比。
The thing about these kids, they always ask you, are you Kobe? Are you Kobe? And then I would tell them yes, but some of them, they keep thinking that I am, but not all of them. Huh? Okay. I have no idea what that boy is saying. We're gonna go to a different place where we can stay instead. Maybe one with less people. It's been a while since I saw something like this. Cloudy every day. Now at least a little bit of the sunset. Finish off the night by getting something to eat and then come back, have a hot spring and just relax. Okay, let's do it. First restaurant.
In the same place we're in today, no?
Let's check. Chickens.
10块钱左右吧，10到15块。15块哈。好，那么茄子一个啊，还有一个
Eggplant, tofu,
豆
rice.
腐看怎么做？
2 portion.
加那加焖一下。好，上。
For dinner tonight we have vegetables, egg and tomato, tofu, bite size, and this is eggplant.
Yes.
And rice. And rice. You hungry?
Yeah, hungry.
Again. After having dinner, we came back. Let's see how this goes. Let's take it from here. This is where we will stay for 3 hours I think. And then later on we will go camping. There's a hot spring and the pool we can jump in. Wonderful. Let's enjoy. See you later. I don't know what's going on. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning, and you can just hear the roosters. Listen. Anyway, I'm in my tent now, and it's time to say goodnight. We found a camping spot not too far from where we were at the hot spring. I will show you what it looks like in the morning. Someone's coming. I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Hopefully not a lot of noise, but there are a lot of people around us. So I think let's see how things go in the morning. Oh yeah, and dog. There's a dog that was barking for like 20 minutes. Let's see how things go tomorrow. I will see you in the morning. Good night.